Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
Flip back over. You know what? If they don't make it, I will personally put $1,000 in. So either way, the guide dogs are getting something. That's right. I got faith in them. So who still thinks they're going to be able to make it around this entire inside loop on two wheels after watching that first attempt? All right, we got some cheers.
I'm down here on the course, and we are trying to flip it with Dave still in it. He refuses to get out because he wants to give it another shot. You guys want to see Dave go again? He starts it right back up. Let's go, Bo. You got this.
Yeah, no problem.
Dave's got some whips.
Guys, let me explain to you what happened. See, there's always a good explanation for any time something like that happens. That's only like between the third, maybe the 20th time I've ever rolled a razor. But what happened was, you see me, I was heating the tires up a little bit, because once you heat them up, they stick a little bit better. The problem was, during practice, I hadn't heated them up, so then they were too sticky, and then obviously, you know, the rest is history. But be patient, because sooner or later, things are about to get real sexy.
From the man, the myth himself, Dave Sparks, giving a decent explanation as to what happened, but he's going to give it another go. I got to get out of the danger zone.
There we go, we got it. Some noise! Oh, right her down. Whoa! He's got it. Yep. That's going to be tough. He's going through the grass. He'll get it. Yeah. All right, so who out there saw this going better?
Dave saw it going better. There they go.
This is going exactly how it's going right now.
Let's go, Dave Sparks!
There they go, going in turn one. Let's go, give it up for him. They got a great start going on there. Dave Sparks, ladies and gentlemen, starting his first lap. Looking pretty good. Only had one rollover so far.
That's impressive.
That is impressive. That's a lot of vehicle on two wheels.
Wow.
When he comes by the front stretch, he's going to need a little bit of cheer on. That is dangerous. On the other side. Give it up, bro. Let's go.
One.
Oh, he's all the way on the inside. He's got it. Dave Sparks, 1 full lap. It doesn't get any easier. The hardest part probably is to keep this vehicle from either flipping over or falling back out, coming down there on these long, flat straightaways. The corners, you can kind of, it's not going to work.
Oh, he came too far inside.
Too far in.
This is where he's going to hit it. Keep it going.
Put your hands together for my man, Dave Sparks.
I think he's going to go again. I think he's got one more shot at this.
All right. Let's see.
There we go.
All right.
Oh, that's going to be a tough. Oh, he's rolling. No. Got it.
Man, those sidewalls are taking a serious punishment right now.
Oh, yeah, the sidewalk.
Can we get an explanation down there from Dave?
Yeah, let me get my friend Dave right side up real quick, and then we'll come right to you, Trav.
Hey, nothing better than just drag it 100%. Let it eat.
Just flip it over.
Oh, it did smack.
Remember when Hart
Sorry, we're getting the replay up here in the booth. Oh man, that thing, it went over.
on concrete flipping over?
That went, yeah.
Let's just try it one more time.
It's not even mine. It hurts.
Why don't we just get... First pilot out of the machine. Dave is refusing to get out. He's demanding he stays in. They want them to pull him forward so he can flip out and drive this thing out of here.
Watching the replay, going up onto the banking, and then, it flips almost up high enough that it didn't hit square on the cage, but the inside, looking at just the violence of this roll.
It's pretty wicked. It hits right here. Bam!
Oh, God!
All right,
Who is the machine about? Why can't she? I hope it's a
Dave, I found your makeup wipes.
Somebody's not getting their deposit. Other side. Yeah, get the 6 by 6 out of here. That could be flipped over by me. Like, I'll even help flip it. You know, I'll grab the headset. I don't know what to do. I just can't do it. Somebody's knocking my ear right now.
All right, boss. We got to have you give us a breakdown. What was like riding in there, not just for one flip, but two?
I tell you, you guys ever ridden inside a washing machine before? Pretty sure that's what I just did. Who liked what they saw? Little carnage, right? That's what we're here to give you. We did one lap around the track, which is 1/6 of what we want to do. So, you know, we had to give a little show by tipping her upside down. I say we talk him into doing it again.
Yeah, every time you flip, another $1,000 for Southwest Guide Dogs. All right, he made it onto 4 wheels, guys.
All right, guys, so listen up. What you just saw is what I like to call razzle dazzle. Left wrist flat. Well, that's one that's in the air. All right, so basically, long story short, each rollover counts for $1,000, so we got $2,000 there. How many laps did we get? 1 lap? All right, well, at least that's, what, we got